Hello, my name's Brandy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do book page wall art like this. It is a take and make kit available at the Dalton-Whitfield County Public Library this June while supplies last. Step 1, prepare your work surface. As you can see, I put down some brown packing paper. You can also use old newspaper or a plastic tablecloth, just something to protect your table. Step 2, draw a branch with some leaves on your black construction paper. You can do it any way you want. You can do one branch, two branches. It kind of depends on how big your canvas is. And I'm going to turn it to do a slightly different kind of branch. You can even draw a little leaf if you want to. Doesn't have to be too hard. And after you're finished drawing, you just need to cut it out. I'm going to trim it off just a little bit more. If you don't want to cut it right on the canvas, you can also use a pencil to mark the spot and then cut. Step 3, you want to use a foam brush, dip it in your Mod Podge, and just put a little bit on the canvas at a time. Step 4 is to place your book pages on your canvas. And you can do it any way you want to. If you want to do it straight like this, that's fine. Or if you want to do it crazy like this, that's fine too. And you just want to smooth it out and get rid of any bubbles. If you need to add more Mod Podge, please do. You'll want to put some Mod Podge on the pages you put down, depending on how you lay your next page. And making sure to leave a little bit of your page hanging over the edge. And you just want to keep doing this until you have the whole canvas covered. Step 5. So you can see I've covered my whole canvas, and now I'm going to flip it over and work on the corners and the sides. Put some glue down and then fold the sides in so that you have a nice clean edge. You'll need to do that on both corners, kind of like a present. Step 6, smooth it down and continue this all around the canvas. You'll have some sides with more and some sides with less. That's okay. If you have a little tear, just cover it with some more Mod Podge. If it's a bigger tear, just add some more pages. So now we've covered the whole canvas. So we just need to wait 10 to 20 minutes to let it dry before we move on to the next step. Step 7, put your branch and bird silhouettes on the canvas. Figure out where you want them exactly. Then put down some more Mod Podge, and you can kind of move the branch and adjust as needed. Now put your bird on wherever you want. I think I'm going to put my bird here. Step 8. Now that it's dry, I'm going to brush over the whole canvas with one final coat of Mod Podge for good measure. Once it's dry, it will look something like this. This is one I did earlier, but once it's dry, you can hang it up, you can decorate, you can put it on a bookshelf. I would give it at least 20 good minutes to dry for this last major coat. If it is a smaller canvas, it might be more like 10, but if you're not sure, you can go up to 30, or just whenever you check it and it's dry. Thanks for watching, and this kit will be available at the Dalton Whitfield County Public Library this June while supplies last.